Hi everyone, this is Kipo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Merry Christmas mga ka-Dawn Bell, Dawn Bell Empire and everything, Bobblies. Tama ba ako? So yeah, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Nag-celebrate ba sila together? Ay, atake? Is that Gary V? Sorry? Si Tito Gary? Charis. Ay, si Belle. Ito yung mga ganap nila ng Christmas. Ang ganda ni Belle. Ay, nasa abroad si Belle. Ganda ni Belle. Oh my God. Ay, hello. Hindi. Kailangan natin, bakit mga luma to? Hindi. I-search natin Donnie Pangilinan. Donnie Pangilinan. Tingnan ko nga kung ano yung mga latest kay Donnie for today's video. Ay, hello. Oh my God. Charis! Oh my God talaga. Ito. Hay! Sino to? Ay, bakit ano? Bakit? Ay! Bakit naglo-loading? Ay, tara. Oh my God! Kay Bella lahat yan? Kay Bella lahat yan, me? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Ay, gwapo talaga ni Bella. Ni Donnie. Ay, hello. Kina, dala. Okay. Wala silang ay, hello. Sana ninyo mali siya. Ang gwapo ni Donnie, no? Ang gwapo niya talaga. Charis. Ay, alam ko na. Tinangan natin yung 2024 Dawn Bell Sweet Moments. Kasi parang never pa akong ulit gumawa ng sweet moments. Usually, Dawn Bell lang. Walang sweet moments akong ginagawa. So, this is the 2024 sweet moments. This was in January.
Hindi naman.
Ay,
Kasi Beach Boy. So parang...
Beach Boy. This was, ay, hambal ka pa.
Time na nag-start siya. Kahit, actually, the first time that she was pushed out, tumayo ka na, di ba? Oh.
Ayan. Parang bang may sariling mundo na naman sila. Charis.
Lesson.
Yung celebrities or your friend, invite. Sino yung gusto nyong makasama?
Nagkasakit kami ni Bell. So, when it came to a point na nag-rest day kami, ang saya lang, kasi nag-chill lang kami lahat. Parang downtime, kailangan kami magpahinga ng konti. And the best way we did that was to just be by the beach, listen to music.
Ay.
Tapos nakikita lang natin yung sunset. Nag-surf pa.
Ah.
Nag-surf pa siya.
Gina G. Oh, I love this, oh. They are in love talaga. We cannot deny the fact. Ay, this was 2023. Ay, huy, bata pa sila nito, ah. Mami na kasi kayo. Charis. Sige na. Okay lang kami. Charis. Oo, di ba? Ayan, ginawa ko ng reaction video. Yun, sabi ko talaga, ayan, utos pa ba yan ng management? Kasi ang daming basher eh. May mga nagko-comment talaga sa akin, isang tao, may secret lover daw si Donnie. Nakakaloka. Ayan, secret lover kasi hindi naman sila umaamin. Charis, secret lover ba kamo? Secret lover ba kamo ni Donnie? Ayan, si Belle. Kasi hindi naman sila umaamin eh. Charis. Di ba? So, secret lover ba kamo? Ayan, oh. Ayan yung secret lover. Charis, gusto nyo yan? Kasi hindi naman sila umaamin eh. Wala na. Secret lover ba kamo? Oh. They are so in love. They're really in love talaga. Diba? No one can take that away from them talaga. Check na natin si Don Bell, yung mga repost niya. Kasi for sure yung mga repost dito, mga ano to mga, what do you call this, mga latest. Ay, ano to? Ay, ito. Andito si Donnie. Mga panglinas. Ay, si Donnie pala yung host. Si Donnie pala ang host for today's video. Okay. Ano to? Ay, ito. Ay, sino yun? Si Gary V ba yun? Oh my God, ang sarap ng lechon. Sana si Belle din, may mga story din sila, no? Ay, si VP ko yan. Ay. Okay, what's next? Ay, cutie! What's next? Oh my God! Ay! Hello?
Get a chance to win 5 million pesos in cash in the grand draw, 1 million or 3 million pesos in the major draw, in the weekly draw. Text raffle to 5858 and load up to any smart prepaid promos from 99 pesos to 449 pesos to earn raffle points. Like the new smart prepaid daily data. So many options to choose from. Just pick how much data you want and when it expires.
Ay, sino to? Hello?
Hey Dunkin' fam, it's Belle
Dunkin' fan.
all a Merry Munchkin.
Merry
Thank you for tuning in
Christmas!
this season. Hope you're enjoying every moment with your favorite Dunkin' treats and the people who matter most. Happy Dunkin' holidays, everyone!
Happy Dunkin' Holidays! Happy New Year! Ay, ito, the newest, juicy. Shina nga natin to. I-check nga natin to for today's video. Meron ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Charing!
Maybe today I make it out, gotta conquer tomorrow and shine bright all the way. Sing with me!
Sing with me!
Light up, shine, oh, it's your time.
Okay. Ay,
The 2025 season.
ito yung wrap-up niya.
Good night.
Dami niya ding endorsement, no? Ay, hello. Okay, anyway, so this is our for today's video. We're done with compilation. This is Kidjo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!